Mr. Adams, what type of coverage should you always have on your auto insurance policy?
Well, Grayson, here in North Carolina, the law requires every car to be insured by liability insurance up to a certain amount, and the amount is $30,000 per person and $60,000 per accident. But that insurance protects the other person. In addition to that insurance, which you have to have, you should also have insurance for yourself to protect you and your family. And there are three basic kinds of insurance coverage that you should have in order to protect your family. Number one is insurance that's called uninsured motorist coverage, and that protects you if you're in a collision with a motorist who doesn't have any insurance at all. And although North Carolina requires liability insurance, it's amazing and surprising how many cars are traveling up and down the public highways of North Carolina without any insurance. And so that protects you. The second type of insurance I'd recommend that you have is called underinsured motorist coverage. And that protects you against major harm. For instance, if you're in a motor vehicle collision that sends you to the hospital for 4 or 5 days, your bills are probably going to be way in excess of $30,000. And if the person that you're in the car with only has if the person that causes the collision only has $30,000 in coverage, then that's all you can recover, because most people don't have enough assets to pay you over and above what their insurance coverage is. So that's why it's important to have a high level of underinsured motorist coverage. The third kind of insurance that I'd recommend everyone have is what's called medical insurance, medical payment coverage. And most of us refer to that as MedPay coverage. MedPay coverage simply provides that anyone who is injured in your car, regardless of whose fault it is, will get their medical bills paid up to the limit of the policy, no matter whose fault it is. And that covers not only you, but anybody that's riding in your car. So it's very good protection, and it's easy to collect.